なんでだ。追加できた。次。OK。よし。What's up guys, it's Takuya here. Today I'd like to show you how I operate the servers of my service. I'm building a Markdown note-taking app called Inkdrop, which has more than 1,500 paid users at the moment, and it comes with a built-in sync feature which allows you to sync your data across devices such as desktop PC, laptops and mobile devices and tablets. So I have a lot of user data right now, and I have to carefully operate them. So it will be nice to show you how I operate the servers. Although I can't show you the actual commands I run on the server because they have sensitive data such as IP address, user IDs, and so on. So please enjoy just my reactions on running commands and how I enjoy doing this. So let's get right into it. Okay, I'm going to talk about what I work on the server. We've got clients here. Clients, you can use mobile devices, laptops, and desktop computers. Here, and we've got this CouchDB service. I'm using a CouchDB service for storing user data. It's a kind of NoSQL database. You can store JSON-like data, structured data without schema. So we've got EC2 and two CouchDB servers right now. So Couch 1, Couch 2. These two are configured as a cluster, CouchDB cluster. So they are replicating this data in live. So we've got two servers and clients sync user data via internet. And today I'd like to add a new node here. Let's name it Couch 3 and let it join the cluster and replicate the data so that the servers are more reliable, and I'd like to make sure more disaster tolerant because each node is running in different region. So I'd like to deploy this one. Got it? So let's get started. サーバーをスタートさせる。新しいサーバー。東京かな。グッ。なんでだ。EQ。 今からノードをクラスターに、追加させます。Okay. やります。追加します。OK。確認。追加された。うん。で、ちょっと変わったね。追加できた。次。クラスターをノードに参加させることができたので、次は各データベースをその新しいノードに、レプリケートされるように設定する。手始めに適当に作ったデータベースの設定を変更してみる。No。これで、N が3になっていればいいと。N が3になって OK なってる。N が無事3になりました。OK。なら、他のデータベースもやりましょう。では、いきます。怖え。OK、行きましょう。で、3になりました。ただ、同期をここからしないといけないと。全部同期させる。OK。いった。 すげ次はユーザーズです。はい、はい、はい、できます。これはいけます。いけるのかどうか。よし、いけました。ああ、シンクされた。はい。Now we've got a CouchDB cluster running 3 nodes, and I'm so happy to get Inkdrop more reliable because users can use them without worrying about data loss. Opening servers with a lot of user data is so thrilling and difficult, but it's so fun to do. I was so nervous to run commands as you saw. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please push the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Peace.